Hi there, I'm Adrian, and in this video we'll look at email templates in Cademy. So whenever someone buys a course on Cademy, they're going to get an email confirmation with the details of the course and their purchase. But you can customize that email if you want to offer additional details or instructions. So if you click on and go into the course editor and go under the settings section, you'll see the emails tab on the left. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see the email that is currently used for confirmations for that particular course. Now you can edit what email gets sent on each individual course, and you do that by selecting a template from this drop down. By default, there's a template here set called Cademy default template, and you can see what that looks like here, and you don't need to change that. For most users, this template will do just fine. You can see that it's got the details of the booking, and these little tags here are going to get replaced with the actual details from the booking. So let's see what that looks like. I have here what it looks like from the other side. So you'll see that my name got pulled in, and the name of the course, and how much I paid, and the directions, and so on. That all got replaced dynamically instead of these little tags. You see? So these tags got replaced with my actual details. Now, when you click on a template here, it'll initiate the edit mode. And you can just edit the default template and save that as a new template, or you can create a new one from scratch, like so, right? For this particular example, let's just click on the duplicate template here to duplicate my default template, and I'll give it a new name, and I'll say this is going to be my personal template. You can edit the subject line of the email, the sender name, and the sender name is what the recipient will see in their inbox. So this is going to be normally your school name, so school of example, and that's going to be, the email will say coming from school of example in this case. And you can choose an email where replies will get sent to. So this would be the email where they hit reply, this is where all the replies will get sent to. There you go. Now, when editing the email itself, you can see that I can have full control over the contents here, and I can customize as I want. Now, you can also make use of these mail merge tags and edit this as you wish. So if you want to add additional details, you can just enter those in here, our social links, and then you can pick those from here and just drag them here, or you can just click to add them here, like so, right? You can see that on this example, there's also a view and manage your booking button, and that's done through this little mail merge tag, which was, you can just drag it in here or edit or kind of click on it to appear. Let's just do that. And this will actually give the student a magic link. When they click on that, it's going to open the page where they can view the booking and all the details around that in the browser. And if you allow cancellations, they'll be able to cancel it through there as well. You can see the other mail merge tags like the Zoom link. If it's an online course, it's going to pull the details for the session, or the details for around the pricing and so on. So there you go, a lot of options here, and you can just customize the email template as you wish. And once you're done, you click save, and there you go, my personal template got saved and it got applied to this course. All I need to do now is click on save course. So this course now, whenever someone books, will use this template with my additional social links. Oops, remember that when you click on the template, it takes you into the edit mode. So that's the course. The course will now be using this template here. If I want to use this template on a different course, I just need to go into that course. Let's go in here, edit, and then go into the settings, emails. You can see that it's again using the default email by default. I can just choose my personal template from the drop down and click save. Now, if I want to see all of my templates in one place, you just click on settings and then email templates, and you'll see all of your templates in one place. You can click here to view what it actually looks like, or you can click the edit button to start editing the course. And remember, when you change a template, the changes are going to reflect on all courses that use this template. So when they start sending emails using this template, they're going to be pulling in the details of the template that you've set up here, right? Hopefully this makes sense. If not, use the live chat button right to get in touch. We're always happy to hear from you. Thank you so much. Take care.